Dear friends, today we are here to introduce you Z Phone new mobile phone that's known as SpinUp A9 and SpinUp A10. Both have the same specification and same performance. The only difference is in the back side of the smartphone. As you can see, the camera, as you can see it over here, have a different outlook. One is showing a triple camera and the other one is also showing the quarter camera, but actually these are the single cameras. The other cameras are just are not real, they are just to give the elegant look to the smartphone. And now we just unbox the phone and see what is inside it. As you can see it here, in this phone it comes with the smartphone, a micro USB charger which is 1 ampere. That means a normal charger does not support fast charging, and a SIM slot pin. Now just try to look on the features of the phone. It comes with water drop full notch display of 6.26 inches. It comes with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory. It comes with 3000 mAh lithium polymer inbuilt sealed battery. It comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. It also have a face recognition sensors, and it will have a Android 8.1 Oreo version. This product is been certified by the BIS, and it's made in India. And now, as you can see it here, this will have dedicated 3 SIM slots, 2 for the SIM card and 1 for the memory card, and it will support 128 GB of the external memory. Now we'll just have the look on the system of the phone. As you can see it here, this comes with 32 GB of internal memory and 3 GB of RAM. This have a lot of pre-installed apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, ShareIt, which are legally available in India. Are now most of the useful apps are already installed in this phone. This phone has a full display, not display. Now just have a look on the phone. This comes in a shiny blue color. As you can see, it have a different shades. The look of this phone is really good. Full display have really good colors. As you can see it here, both have same weight, same size, everything is same. This is a sleek phone. As you can see it here. Now just try to have a look on the quality of the camera. As you can see it here, let's check the performance of the phone. First we'll talk about the camera. As you can see, for the close images, it is a okay camera. Just have a look on the selfie camera. As you can see the details out here, this will model number A9, and it will support Android 8.1, and the processor is 1.3 quad core processor. And out of that, in this 26 GB memory is still available. Just have a look on the audio and the video quality of this phone. This will have 2 speakers on the bottom of the phone, as you can see it here. Audio and video quality of this phone is really good. Looks are good. Overall, you can say the performance, the processing is good. We have installed few games in it. Just try to have a review on that. The gaming experience, we have checked the gaming experience in the phone. The gaming experience is good. We can install few apps of the games and it was working finely. We have checked this phone for the conferencing and the study apps also. It was fine there. We can have a good conference. Thanks for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can visit our website shopsurya.com.